Good afternoon, Dean Davis from LiveWeatherBlogs.com, meteorologist here. Time for a severe weather today. And we're taking a look at the Midwest right now. Oklahoma, Kansas area, they may actually see a potential for a few severe thunderstorms to develop, some with some marginally big hail and some damaging wind, with the outside chance of tornado. Not really going to say there'll be a outbreak of tornadoes like occurred last week, which was great, and we're going to go over that momentarily. A huge tornado outbreak we had last week. Multiple tornadoes that were fatal. Not good, especially for March. It's only March 7th, if you remember here, and we got April through June to be the main severe weather season. So we have a long time to go in severe weather season. So prepare now. That's what I would like to say about that situation. But that's today's threat. It's going to be out here in the Midwest. We're going to take a look at tomorrow's threat. That will be out here in East Texas, parts of Oklahoma and Arkansas. This area actually is going to be in a threat for high winds, hail, and tornadoes as the low-level jet kicks out from 60 knots from the south and southeast. So that's going to kick in some energy here for the potential for some rotating thunderstorms, and that would include tornadoes. Here we go. This is a outlook of all tornadoes that have occurred so far in 2012, and you can see the majorities are going to, Dixie Alley's down here, majorities are going to be in Dixie Alley and up here in Ohio Valley, Hoosier Alley, and these are all to the east. North Carolina has a few, and this all projection will be what happened. The only reason Virginia got saved this last time was because of cold air damming. That won't be the case for future storms. As it gets warmer and warmer, the low-level jet will kick in, and that will usually allow the storms to rotate. And we still have an unconfirmed one, possibly far southwestern Virginia. So they're out there investigating that, and it probably will come back as a tornado. So yeah, this is all moving to the east and out to the west. So this is going to all expand in 2012. But this last one we had over 54 so far confirmed. It's going to be over 60. So it's going to make it the largest one-day tornado total ever here in the record keeping. So that's what's going on with severe weather. What kind of severe weather are we looking at? That, ladies and gentlemen, is potential for fire danger, and that's here in New Mexico, in western Texas, and also here in the Delaware Valley, and back up to the Poconos. Red flag warnings dropped for fire weather. It means do not drop any matches and cigarettes out your window, and do not light fires for recreational purposes. It means fire spread is very quick, so I would not suggest lighting any type of fires at this point. Satellite not showing too much. We have a low kicking out into the plains, which is where you're going to get severe weather potential here in the heating of the day in this location. Some rain up to the north. This will all move to the east and affect the East Coast with possible rain on Thursday into Friday. And then a beautiful weekend on tap with seasonal temperatures. Right now the temperatures are above normal. We're looking at 60s today here in Roanoke and many areas along the East Coast. So enjoy why it is. For LiveWeatherBlogs.com's meteorologist Dean Davison with your severe weather today.